guys, welcome back our channel and I'm Mr. George. Our customer sent me to fix pencil. This condition is can connect in iPad and cannot write. This case is piece of pencil is broken and I will replace this new tip. Let's go. First, we have to catch this. Now I catch this and we have to open this flash and I will pick this tip. I open this way and we have to catch this lister and we have to push this tip. This system is fall in ground. I replace this tip and I will test. It's used normally. Our mission is complete. I have a new pencil body and I will replace this. Now I have repaired the pencil and our customer have a new pencil. Some people have this problem can come and show our service. Our service location is Futurepark Rangsit 3 floor.